This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Super spacious patio home at the Gables in Brighton Point with 4 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Seller installed hardwood floors plus all new quality kitchen appliances in 2019, including washer and dryer, and a new backsplash in the kitchen in 2020. The master bedroom is located on the main level and features a custom walk-in shower with a hydro massage jet sprayer in the luxury master bath. The home is also equipped with an instant hot water system. Arched entryways grace the main level into the living and dining space. You'll enjoy the gas log fireplace during those chilly nights ahead. There is a second bedroom/office, a full guest bath and a laundry room on the main level. The upper level offers the third bedroom, third full bath and a den/craft room. The walkout lower level provides even more finished space for guests to spread out. Here you'll find the fourth bedroom and full bath plus a family room with wet bar, unfinished space for storage, a tornado room and access to the covered patio. Enjoy the quiet and privacy of the tree-lined view from the main level deck with a roll-out awning or a relaxing